Hello everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Patterns and Matrix YouTube channel. I am glad you have found us. Today I'm going to show you how Kepler can be useful for students of astrology and also professional astrologers. But tonight I'm going to be focusing on how a student can use this program. It's very, very affordable. It's $300 and you get everything right in front of you. You also have an instant teacher by contacting us with technical support. First of all, Kepler comes with the Avalon lessons right here. Click on A in here and you see all of these things in here. We click on Avalon lessons. Okay, and then it's available in English, Norwegian, and Turkish. Okay, I will move this here so that we can see it on the screen. So as you can see, this is the Avalon lessons. It is self-explanatory and you can just run through it by yourself. But if you get stuck or you have any questions, you can always send us an email. We can even walk you through or give us a call and we can be your instant teacher. If you are taking classes with other teachers, your teacher can help you as well. But with this, if you need help, when you have the Kepler program, we will help you through our technical support. It's free. There's no additional charge for that. Okay, so we have the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, okay, all the way down to 24 weeks. It has up to 24 weeks. It has 47 lessons. The last lesson is the relocation. Okay, so we close that. Also, if you are in a hurry and you're learning it, you have not have your definition of the planets and houses and aspects, you can just easily click on the planet here on the screen. Okay, you click on the moon and it will give you the interpretation, okay, of the moon in signs, the moon in houses, the moon in aspects. So you click in here, you can click on moon in Taurus, moon in house, it will show it to you, the interpretations, the aspects, the moon hard aspects, Uranus. This is the quick, easy way to learn astrology. Okay, all right. Now, also, you might want to do a bi-wheel of a transit for today, which usually you learn this when you are learning astrology. You can easily create the transit for today and create a bi-wheel. Okay, so what we do here, and you click in here, you click on current transit chart quick select, and it will give you the current transit chart for today. Okay, now as you can see, we have the Gainesville, Florida in here. Okay, well, I live in Gainesville, Florida. Faye, what should I do? Well, very, very easy. You can click in here and click on change current transit chart place and then change it to any place you want. Okay, all right, so I'll just cancel it in here. Now you can click on buy wheel. So let's look at one of the natal chart that we used in here. We have Sally Smith. Okay, so we click on buy wheel in here. We click on this multi-wheel. It says when you click on, point on it. When you click on it, you click on buy wheel and you select Sally Smith in the outer ring. And we want to select the current transit chart for today on the outer ring. And instantaneously, you have a buy wheel. Okay, all right. So that is your buy wheel. Okay, now entering chart data is also very, very easy. All you have to do is just click on this one. Say everything's right in front of you. There's nothing is hidden. Okay, and then click on add new chart. And then you can put something like Drake, Emmy, for example. Okay, we put the last name, comma, first. Okay, Drake, Emma. Okay, and so that we put the last name, comma, first, so that when you create the report, it won't say Emma Drake. It will just say Emma so-and-so, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now entering the date is also very easy. All you have to do is tab into the date or click on it. Oh, and then type in the date of birth. So say, for example, October October 23, 1990. Oops, 1990. Press the tab. You can also put 23 October 1993. You can also put 10/23 1990. However you want to enter, it's very, very versatile. Now for the time, you can do the the AM or PM or the 24 hours. You can just say 2300 hours and you have 11 p.m. Now for the place, simply enter the name of the city. We will say Miami, Miami, comma. After you enter the name of the city, it's always good to put comma so that you see the next places in there. And then you put a space and then we put Florida. Okay. Oops, did I spell it correctly? Okay, we'll put Miami. Okay. Comma, space, Florida. Okay. All you have to do is click on it and then click on done. Then we can save it. Okay. So nothing to worry about that. The atlas is up to date to the minute. Okay, so we have Drake. Okay, now the teacher wants you to create a progress chart. Ooh, very easy. Okay, so what you have to do is click on this icon in here. It says progress of this chart. You click in here, and then it will show you all these kinds of progress chart. You have the secondary, degree for a year, solar arc, tertiary, minor, all of this kind of progress chart. Okay, so depending on who your teacher is, they will teach you how to use the progress chart. The most commonly used one is the secondary progress chart. And I have a video for this also separately. Okay, and then you just click on OK. Okay, you can relocate the progress chart, but you don't usually relocate it. You just use the place of birth and you just click on OK. Now instantaneously you have a progress chart. Now you say, okay, I want a return chart. So to create a return chart, you always have to go back to the natal chart. Like we'll come back in here, calculated charts. We look for Drake Emma. Okay, and then for the return charts right here, click on this icon and then click on solar return, lunar return, whatever is that you want. You get the planet return, phase angle, converse. Probably will not get through this when you are still students, but once you have advanced into a professional level and you're proficient with astrology, then you can go through all of these things. If the teacher has not been teaching this to you yet, you can learn it as you go along. So the Kepler program is an excellent program for students. For $300, you've got everything right in front of you, easy to learn, and you can use it for until you become a professional astrologer. So basically, let's come back here. So for the solar return, I want to create a solar return, which is very, very common. And then you can relocate it to a place where the person wants to spend their birthday. Say, for example, Emma wants to spend birthday in London, so we're going to put London in here. London, England. Okay. So that's the solar return for England, and we click on OK. And instantaneously, you have the solar return. Now, well, I want to create the lunar return too. It's the same process. Go back to the natal chart and click on this return chart and then click on lunar return and then enter the date of the lunar return that you want and how many consecutive months that you want to use and where do you want it to occur, and then you click on OK. Now you have an instantaneous lunar return chart on the screen. Very, very simple and easy. Okay, now another thing. If you want to create an interpretation, or just click on interpretations right here. You can click on the word interpretation or click on this. This is a very beautiful interpretation icon in here, and then click on natal. Kepler comes with cosmonatal in English, Portuguese, Spanish, French, German, Norwegian, and Japanese. You can click on English Cosmo. Anything that is selectable in here are accessible to you. You can also click on various specialized report. It comes with the harmonic highlights report, and you click on OK, and I click on OK, and you get the reports for you. So this is the harmonic highlights report. It comes with the Kepler program, and also this is the cosmonatal in here, which we have selected earlier. Now we have the cosmonatal in here. Yeah, so this is an interpretation that you can use if you do not know astrology yet. If you already know astrology, then yes, you can still use this. You can give it to your clients. You can print it to PDF format and then email it to your clients. Okay, all right. Now, there's also so many different kinds of wheel styles in here. So let me go back to the natal chart in here for Emma Drake. So all you have to do is either click on this icon for chart wheel, or just right click on the wheel itself and then select all the different wheel styles that you can select. There are so many to choose from. Right here, it's right in front of you. YC when what you click on is what you see on the screen. There are so many to choose from. Okay, for the students, there's also an explanation table in here. Okay, aspect grid with explanation tables. These are the explanation tables in here. The fonts and then the name. These are excellent chart wheels for students who have not memorized the symbols yet. Okay. Yeah, there's also other wheel styles in here. You get the Uber wheel. You've got the blank chart wheel if you need to for your class. You have the medieval wheel if you're learning medieval astrology. You have the Arabic parts wheel. You have the art wheel. These are the beautiful one that you can choose from. And I click on art wheel, and it comes with 30 different beautiful art wheels. It's so beautiful. As you click on one, you see it on the screen. So we move this here. You see it on the screen. There are so many. This one, while you're learning astrology, you can earn a living. You can print this to a Kodak paper, frame it, and charge a good amount for it. If you have a beautiful frame, then you print this on a Kodak paper. It's be like a beautiful memory framed on your wall for your birth chart or for anybody that you will be gifting it to. Then you click on OK, and that is your wheel style that we selected. Now we can go back to the regular wheel if we want to. Right here, I just click here in the report selected chart. Okay, there are other things that you can do. You can do a relocated chart in here. You will be learning how to create a relocated chart also. So when you click on this, you can do relocated chart. Now, if say for example you want to this person wants to move to California, so let's say San Diego, California. So let's look at the chart for this person in San Diego, California. San Diego, California. Okay, so click on there and then click on OK. All right. So this is the relocated chart for this person. So there's so many things that you can use. So this for beginners. And if you also advance into Vedic, there's a Vedic system in here. And look at this beautiful symbol in here. These are all the Vedic things in here that you can do. You click on it. So there's so many things that you can use this program for learning astrology. There's relocation maps. You can do the relocation maps, astro maps. There's so many to choose from. Yeah. So as you're learning astrology, advancing into a professional level, you can still use this. So yeah, if you have not purchased the Kepler program as a student, I advise you to get this. This is an excellent program. You have an excellent technical support. You also have an instant teacher right behind you. So hopefully this is a good example for you so that you have guidance on what beautiful program to use as you are learning astrology. Okay, you take care and have a wonderful time. Bye bye for now.